Hi guys, I tried a lot. I I did my best. This is what we have accomplished. You can see like I did a really nice and great job. But then I realized that it is an impossible task. Guys, believe me, it's impossible. You can see like it's almost 10 a.m. in the morning and we have a lot of hotness in the weather, right? And I got wounded as well. So it's a farm life, guys. We have to build ourselves more strong. So this is what I think I'm gonna live for rest of my life. Like we call this to complete the cleaning of our field. So like I'm done with it. It's really hard job to accomplish the work. So we have this particular equipment, tool, whatever we can say, a tractor and a mini rotavator. You can see, like, let me show you how this work. So that's how it is plowing the like the soil and grass. I'm not used to all these things, so I'm gonna make a lot of mistakes. I particularly don't know like what you have to call out some certain things. So yeah, that's what's going on. It's too hot. If I can like bet on this, like it's really hard to stand 1 hour in this same temperature. So yeah, like I'm enjoying it. Like it's making me more strong physically, mentally, because I'm in between of nature. So stay tuned. Let's connect in next vlog.